So why should you come to one of our experience days? Polygon has over 40 years' experience in the fire and flood industry, working with insurance companies and loss adjusters to help their customers get back to normality following a loss to their property. Using our innovative drying methods to help reduce claim duration and therefore claim costs, we always put your customers' needs first. With great feedback from delegates who have attended previous events, we offer an opportunity to meet with technicians and gain more of an understanding of what we do and how we can help you. You can learn more about our water and fire restoration techniques and trace and access methods and find out why we are experts in our field. Please visit the news section on our website www.polygongroup.co.uk for dates and venues of the experience days that we are holding throughout 2019. Polygon, always by your side.